Guess where we are? If you guessed Tyler's, you're correct. Welcome back, everyone, or welcome. My name's Kylie, and today is probably the day I bring my car home. I say probably because I always say that, and it never happens, so like, manifesting! So we're in the garage with the car. Wiring is pretty much all done. Like I said last time, we need to lower the rad in, put the valve cover on. Tyler's gonna be here soon with an alternator because... yeah, that happened. Tyler's here. We got the valve cover. We got the rest of everything in those boxes right there. Now we're gonna put the hood on part 2 since they had to take it off to fix some things. So hood's on. Time for the valve cover. So we're gonna build the valve cover, put the gasket on, all that. Everything's screwed in. We gotta put the coil pack on the back. It's right here. Okay, so we're gonna pour the oil in before the valve cover just in case because I am clumsy. So we got a funnel here, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Last drop. Okay, we're doing the spark plugs. Ooh.
It's alright.
Good. Got the NGK spark plugs, my favorite brand. That's what I had in before. So right now I'm just gonna drop them in and then tighten them. Alright, so spark plugs are in. Now to put the valve cover on top. It's so pretty. It's coming together. Just gotta tighten the bolts on the valve cover. Everything's tight, it's on. Gotta do the coil pack, drop the rad in like I said. Cold air intake, still waiting for the exhaust to get here. As you can see, that's the one missing piece. Gotta do the wires. Gotta mess around with my fitment. Quick pizza break. Okay, so we actually spent like the past hour and a half trying to make my bumper flushed again because Tyler unscrewed my bumper and it came down. So this is what it's looking like right now. Hopefully when Mike wraps it, he can fix it more, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm stressed. My eye has not stopped twitching for like the past hour trying to get this car ready to bring home tonight. We just keep running into issues. I did it off camera, but I put back on my side skirt. We're gonna figure out the hardware during or after wrap, so that will be in another video.
What is going on here?
Fitment.
Yeah! Hey guys, I'm on the camera, y'all. It's me, Kylie.
Tyler's back after hours of with the fitment. I got a little bit of baby camber. A little more than I did. and it's lowered. Can't really tell. Ha ha ha.
Okay.
Let's go race.
That way.
Yeah, race that way.
We started the car from this way. Don't look past the door.
Okay, so backs are cambered and lowered. Tyler's gonna work on my fronts while I put the wheels back on. Say hi, Tyler. That wasn't hi. I don't know what the that was. That was like a bird call.
Oh, you're tightening the wheel.
Install the new.
Ex-wife.
Kylie finally learned how to lower her car.
You're so fake for that.
I don't know why the flash just came on.
Probably auto. Whew. Fun work.
Push.
So belts are on, alternators in. It's been a long night. It's like 9 p.m. My front's lowered. My front's are already maxed out, so we'll see how it looks when we put it down. But right now, I'm gonna put my rad in. Radiators in. Cold air intake time.
At least it's pretty.
It is pretty. I have to work an 8-hour shift tomorrow. Cold air intake is in. Just tightening everything up. So gotta plug everything in. Spark plugs are in. Again, we're just waiting on the header and a few other things. But I'm gonna call it a night. I'm tired. It's 11 o'clock. I know Tyler is exhausted.
I just worked a full shift and then came here and did this.
So yeah, it's been a night.
Preaching to Malibu.
Hopefully next time you see the car, it will be in Mike's shop. So I'm currently on my way home. Tyler and his dad are gonna finish up so they can bring my car to my shop tomorrow morning. I'm missing my PCV valve grommet, of course, the littlest piece. So I ordered that piece. I'm not gonna get it until Monday. Hopefully they can get my headers tomorrow so they can install it right before they bring the car over, because these are the 2 missing parts, dude. I swear, it's always something. It's always something. But fingers crossed, we will see my car tomorrow. I will continue this video then. So we're on our way to Style Up Auto to see my car. Finally got towed. It's almost 9 p.m. Was a little delayed, but it's okay. MIATA is back in its home. Well, technically second home. I missed you so much. So Tyler and his dad actually took my taillights because one of the lenses fell off, so they're going to fix that up for me. And there's a few other things we need to fix up, but for now, it's time for wrap. Got our vinyl frog right here. That's not the color, but you guys want to see? Gotta wait till it's on the car. Ending it on that note, since the MIATA is home, tune in for next time's video where the car's wrapped and we finish fixing everything up so we can bring it to Florida. See you guys next time.